What's up, everybody? It's the Fun Zone, and today we're going to be putting together this Snowman 3D cardboard model kit. I'm going to do a little stop animation here, showing me putting it together. All right, so first let's look at it. Looks kind of fun. Let's see. Fun, a 20 to 30 minute craft activity. Easy to assemble, non-toxic glue included. Enjoy the fun facts. All right, everybody. So we're going to put this little guy together. And it's from, I hope I don't say it wrong, Eugy. But you can get all kinds of fun animals and Christmas stuff like this. So let's start building. Do you want to build a snowman? Come on, let's do this. Alright, you guys, that was a super fun project that I put together. It took me a little longer because, you know, I was doing the stop motion animation there. I hope it's going to turn out okay. But, yeah, this is a cute little project. Fun for the kiddos, 6 and up. And it was really easy. You just glue all the pieces together and put them on top of each other. And you're good to go. And let's see, Eugy has all kinds. They got, it's hard to see, dinosaurs. This is not sponsored, by the way, I'm just showing you guys. Animals, giraffes, alligators, bears, oh my, all kinds of fun things. Let's see. Birds. Wow, I didn't see the birds in the store. Turtles, that is cute. Unicorns, mermaids, sea otters, whales, tikis, dragons, and reindeer, snowman, Santa, unicorns there, and little minions. Alright, you guys, that's going to do it for this video. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.